Good morning, traders. How we doing out there, guys? Good morning, good morning. Welcome to BT1 mornings. That's what I'm gonna call this. This is the beginner trading one mornings. All right, just starting up here. Got the gappers up, gapper list here, guys. As you can see, we got biotechs, also biotechs in the last 5 days, Chinese stocks. These mainly are more alerts going to be going on intraday. So I'm going to go ahead and just open these up a little bit more so that way you can be able to see what stocks have been moving in these sectors. Alright. So these usually look up the ones that have been up the most in the last 5 days. Biotechs, we got OGen, we got IGC, CRMD, TLRY, INO. Your basic stocks right here. The ones you've been seeing actually been making the moves in the market. You guys hear my dog back there hanging out? Good morning, Missouri. How we doing, brother? Good morning. All right, let's take a look at these gappers list. We got DTA here. We've gotten 3 tries of this resistance of 4. We're gonna watch how it reacts at $4. It's probably gonna make a run one more time towards that, and then we're gonna see if it fails or gets above those 4s. Right. Let's see what else we got here. We got Miles in the house. Let's look at this stock right here, Miles. Daily chart has it down. It's gapping up, a very small gap up there. It's pulling back from that 120. Let's see it on the 60. Really no movement on this stock, so we'll keep an eye on it. Craig. This is one of those Chinese stocks. We'll go ahead and check out Craig. Craig looking good on the minute. Let's see the daily chart. Daily chart, we got resistance up here at 153. That's going to be the interesting mark, 153. Alright. It's just been going up and up there. Up 60 cents today. So we're going to keep an eye on Craig's for sure. Let's see if it's tradable. Not tradable for me, but I'm gonna go ahead and just keep it up and keep watching it. Let's go to OGen. OGen is one that I watched yesterday. I called the rip out to 180. It got some momentum and ripped through, got all the way up to its 228s now. It's looking like a good pattern here, guys. We got the flag right here, a fail right here, coming back down. What we need to see is get it back above this 214 with some volume here, guys. So extend that out, kind of find the support also right there, draw it out for yourself, draw out the trade, make this come back up here. That's when it's going to show that it's bullish. If it stays in this area, it's probably more on a bearish run. We're going to look for it to reject here at the open and fade down. Right. Also, we got DGLY making a move for today. This one went up all the way up there to almost $5, came down already. We're gonna look for it to come up and try to test this resistance at 348, but fail and come back down to these $3. It's called the gap and crapper there. We'll be watching for this to fail those 350s and then come right back down, guys. DGL. Craig. BTEA. Looks like it's gonna crash right now. We got a couple stocks that we can watch. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna leave the scanners up. I'll be back in a little bit. I'm gonna eat some breakfast right quick, and then I'll be back to really go over my watch list and exactly the stocks that I want to trade for today. If you guys have any questions or things you want to see added to this scanner, go ahead and put them up, and I'll go ahead and I can add new scanners, or I can go ahead and find some new ones to add here. All right. Alright, I pulled out like down gapper for you guys. Pretty much a down gapper. These are the stocks that are the most down for the day. Alright guys, this right here guys is social media watches. Hey guys, don't forget to join us. Join us later today, trading live to you guys so you guys can get sound. I'm going to be cutting off the sound around 8:30 to the stream. Sound will be taken off and I will be moving towards beginner trading's channel. This is the URL. We'll be posting it up multiple times today, but go ahead and add this channel and get ready to see us trade live, guys. There it goes. It's testing up to that resistance there, Ogen. Alright guys, I'll be right back, guys. Be back to the stream here. All right, guys. Good morning, good morning. I'm back, guys. Just getting a little coffee, a little breakfast, starting up the morning right, guys. All right, guys. How we doing? Just finished up some breakfast. Now I'm going to take a look at some movers, see what I can see what I find out there. Always like to look at the daily. We're talking about this OGen. When it comes to this OGen, we really want to see how it's going to react up here in this 215 area. If it rejects the 215 area today, definitely going to be watching it. If it does get some momentum through there, this could take off. You guys see some shares going through there at 818. This is what we're looking for, things like this right here. 15,000 shares right there. How we doing, cool? What's going on, brother? Guys got any stocks you guys want me to go over or watch? Go ahead and let me know and I can go over those. Anything in specific. I will be taking off the sound. The sound will be taken off at 8:30. We'll be switching over to John's stream, and that way you guys can go ahead and listen to me, pull up both videos, have some scanners, have John, have me open, and keep growing, guys. That's the idea. All right, guys. How we doing, guys? I'm back. All right, mine for honor. When are you ending your stream? All right, so my stream will be ending today. It will probably run until probably about 2 p.m. On certain other days, we're gonna be closing it down probably in the afternoon. Probably I think 11:30. I have to establish an exact time for you guys. But mainly, it's gonna definitely be open in the early morning hours. A lot of the times, I can't trade Wednesday. I do trade Monday, Tuesday, Friday, all every week, no matter what. There is certain days I don't trade on Thursdays and Wednesdays, but you guys will definitely see a stream on Thursday. So what I'm thinking is I'll be leaving these streams running actually in the early morning hours, guys. This is actually gonna turn on. I'm thinking of starting it at like, let's say 5:30 in the morning. 5:30 in the morning, and it's gonna run until probably about 11:30 on most days except Tuesday and Thursday, where I'll run it a little bit longer. Now I will have a high of day Momo scanner and parabolic overextended alerts. Also have a top list that I created. Called Top Movers. Alright guys, like I said guys, the reason I'm running this stream guys is to go ahead and get you guys some scanners, get you guys the ability to really just start getting your day ready, really start getting ready for the market, and we'll be leaning and getting ready towards beginning trading's channel, so that way you guys can go ahead and hear me each and every day. Beginning Trader trades live to you from 8:45 to about 11. Here's the link. I'm posting it up right now. Don't forget to guys join us. I will be taking the sound off of this stream probably around 8:40, right before we change over to John's stream, and then it will be on there, and you guys will continue seeing this stream up. You guys are just gonna have to go to that other stream so you get sound, and this way you're gonna be able to get 2 traders, a whole bunch of scanners going at you, and this way you don't need to be providing other services or something. We're gonna go ahead and bring it to you. Also, I will remind you guys to go ahead and join Trade Ideas, guys. Go ahead and join Trade Ideas. Great scanner and alerts. The best in the industry in my eyes, speed wise, and also they're great at, as you can see, organization, colors, everything guys. On my gapper scanner guys, what I look for guys is stocks that are underneath 50 million for a float. So you'll see the blue ones are over 15 million. And same thing for the market cap guys. I like to see the market caps under 100 million. That definitely lets me know that it's a small cap stocks. That's what I'm looking for. Another thing we can look for is the short float. How much short are already in the stock. And then I have distance from VWAP here guys. Whole bunch of things for you guys. This way you guys can see this. Let me know if the text is too small for you guys. I can also make it bigger. All right, let's see how the weed stocks are holding up, guys. IGC definitely, man. Look at this, guys. Look at this run that it made yesterday, guys. Look at this stock. It's making a run since $2 on the 26th, guys, and hasn't looked back, guys. 6 times the stock, up more than 600%. Now went up yesterday, all the way up until closed at 1062, opened up at 4 o'clock in the morning, all the way up there at 1250, guys. Then this stock just broke down here at $12, guys. So that's really the really good price point to watch, guys. We're gonna watch this resistance here, guys, at 1094. We're gonna watch that breakdown right where it happened, 1195s, 1196. I say it's 1195 right there. And then we're gonna be also watching this drop right here. This drop right here is coexisting with this right here, this support right here, guys. So you see there's multiple touches there. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna call that right there a support right here. Okay, so this is what we're trying to see, guys. You see how it's holding within this. This is a down 1, up 1, down 2, up 2, down 3, up 3. We don't want it to get back above that 1021. If it can hold that 1021, probably come back down to these 9s. Above this, it's probably going to come up and try to test this resistance over here at 1094s or 11. We're going to definitely keep this stock on watch. Now it is not tradable on TradeNet, but just for you guys that can trade it, I want to go ahead and call it out for you guys so you guys can start getting ready. If there's any stock you guys want me to go over, go ahead and put it up on the chat, and I'll go ahead and start working it down, guys. All right, guys. Get into this 8:45 hour here, guys. IGC is definitely one of our top watch stocks. Also watching OGen. OGen is one of the other ones that are definitely to watch for today. CLRB here, guys. Let's check out this daily chart here, guys. All right, guys. Looks like we're trying to fill in the gap, guys. Fill in the gap. 515 here, guys. I'm going to go ahead and draw that support right there, guys. 515, 520. Let's go ahead and see exactly where it is. This candle was low at 581 here, guys. 581. 520 we're seeing now. All right, so 520 is going to be that support there, guys, that it's trying to get to. We've gotten past this 382, so I'll go ahead and call that the support now. All right, guys. So 392, 520. Let's start going into this stock and see what we got here. All right, guys. Seeing the support right here be created. Zoom in a little bit on this stock. Start drawing it out for yourself. Draw out the resistance. All right, resistance there. What we've gotten a run up. This is the run up right here. Boom. Pulls back, tests it real quick. I don't call this another test. This is still part of the flagpole right here. Now we get this down move. We get a little bounce. Get this down move here. We're gonna probably get another touch here, and then I'll look for a curl in this area to curl over here. So what I look for a stock to do is kind of this move, bounce up here, hold that 4, and then break out. All right, guys, that's CLRB. Got to get Skype going. Got to get it ready for John. Got it ready for John, guys. All right, guys. MBEV. All right, I'll go over that one really quickly before we start on the other stream, guys. MBEV has been going up daily, but let's take a look at this daily chart, guys. It's really atrocious. You see it go all the way up there to $10, all the way back to $5. Yesterday, I was watching this stock as it was getting up here, guys, and it opened up over here, guys. I had a feeling that it was going to make an attempt back run, guys. I do not think it's going to get back above there, but what I'm going to do is we put this on the 5-minute, and you can see that what did this stock do, guys, yesterday? It ripped into the close really big, got over that, but then got huge hit at 7 a.m., guys. Someone sold up here, knocking it down. So what we need to do is we need to classify this support here, guys. 946 is where we want to see it at least get above for the long side, but really what's going to confirm it is if it can get above this 964, guys. I'll be looking at the open for a short after if the stock rejects, it comes up to this 879, rejects, and comes right back down, guys. That's my explanation for MBEV. And that's how it goes, guys. All right, guys. All right, guys. Getting to that John hour, guys. That John hour, guys. 9:47, guys. Don't forget, join here, guys. I want you guys to join beginning trading, so that way we can go ahead and start building up on this, guys. Join beginning trading, guys. We're gonna go ahead and cut the sound here, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the sound. I'm going to be going over to John's stream, guys. Go ahead and find me over there, and we'll keep going.
Oh, yo, yo, man. Uh, Guys, we got Mitch here in the stream. And Mitch is doing his scanner today. Links will be in the chat. Yes, sir. So yeah, I always told Mitch if it hurts my views, I don't want to do it. And so make sure you stay in this stream as well, so Mitch can keep doing the trade idea stream as well. But yeah, you know, you can barely hear Mitch. Oh, you can hear you can hear the faint mating call of the blue whale on Mitch's channel. So basically, you can hear his dog. I have an echo. I have an echo, really? If I have an echo, it might be Mitch. Do you have your speakers on? Okay, because if you have your speakers on, that's where the echo could be coming from. Okay, so yeah, other people are saying it sounds fine. So yeah, let me know if y'all continue to hear an echo. But yeah, so a lot of movers today, man. And like I said, Mitch, really excited that they did add IGC to test. They added IGC, they added NBEV. And so they are adding some stocks to TEFs, which is always good to see. You want to know why I'm super confused about options? If anybody wants to know why I'm really confused about options, okay. So this is why I'm confused, right? So I was holding an NEPT put yesterday, right? Yesterday, I was holding an NEPT put, and my put on NEPT was only valued at $8 when it was down here at 393. And it's a put, so I profit if it goes down, right? NEPT spiked from 393 all the way to $5.20 in pre-market and really up to almost $5 yesterday during market hours. And look at my NEPT put now. It's worth over twice as much as it was. It's worth $18 now. That is why I options are crazy. They make no sense. Whoever's pricing these options is terrible. I'm not going to complain because they're pricing my option. They're pricing my option more valuable. They're pricing a put option for more. Dude, whoever's pricing these options, bro, I'm supposed to profit if it goes down and it goes up and it doubles in price. My option price is worth more. Hmm. course you do. You know, I mean that's right. I mean, we still have like over 2 weeks for my option to work. I'm probably gonna sell my NEPT option now where I make twice as much. Yeah, I did, man. Yeah, that would have been a great overnight hold, huh? But yeah, today I'm really trying to go towards that strategy we talked about yesterday. I'm going to look for big washes at the open. Big washes I think are really important. I think they have to wash out huge in order for us to really, profit from it. In order for the VWAP fade to really be in play. I think they have to drop huge. And guys, at the end of our stream today, we're going to be debuting something that we've been working on for the last few months. And so stick around, and you'll see. We're going to wait until the end of the stream to debut it. Um, and we'll explain a little bit more once we do that. But we're super excited to debut it. I've been working on it for months now, and excited to show everybody what we've been working on. But I slept, but only because I didn't get any sleep yesterday. You know. But yeah, so all right. We got IGC, which is finally tradable in TAFs. I'm really excited about that. Hopefully, it gives us a few opportunities here. Hopefully, TAFs is going to start adding some stocks because previously, the last 2 weeks, there hasn't been that much to trade on there. And usually, they actually do a pretty good job of adding stocks. At least they did last year. They did a really good job in coming into this year. And so I think they're going to start most likely adding more stocks to trade on there as the volume starts to heat up in the market. And so that's what we're going to be kind of looking out for. Um, yeah, so